Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and I still have the same hairstyle. I didn't do anything to my hair. The only thing I did was I went in and I moisturized my braids underneath, and that's pretty much all I did, and oiled it up. That's pretty much all I did, and pulled it apart. So I decided to keep this hair as long as possible. This is week 2 of the hairstyle, and I'll turn around and let you see the back of it. So yeah, so it's holding up, it's actually holding up pretty well. I had like a tiny bit of frizz, like right toward the tip ends where it kind of tangled at, and it could be from some of the hair that was shedding out that when I first crocheted it in. So basically all I did was I just kind of pulled it, and I took my scissors and I just clipped the ends of it just a little bit to get rid of that. And like I said, I plan on keeping this hair as long as it possibly looks nice. I plan on keeping it. I'll probably end up doing redoing the front of my hair different probably this week maybe, and if I do decide to change the front of my hair, I will do a video on the front part of it. But the back, pretty much I'm going to let it stay like it is, like I said, as long as possible, because I'm always busy. I don't have a lot of time, so basically doing a protective style is perfect for me right now, so I don't have to do anything to my hair. So yeah, afterwards I plan on doing like another protective style after I take this out, and I'll do a video on that as well. The outfit that I have on today, I have on this black dress, and I think I worn this dress probably like once maybe. It's been a couple of years since I wore it, and it's black at the top, and the bottom part of it is like black and white checkerboard print, and it's a dress. It's all connected together. Kind of looks like a skirt at the top, but it's actually a dress. And I decided to add a little bit of neon pink with it this morning. So I have on a neon pink belt, which you'll see in pictures at the end of this video. The jewelry I also have on is neon pink. The necklace set I ordered off eBay a while ago. It was like I think it was like the only one they had really. I can't remember the seller's name or anything. It was a long time ago, a couple of years ago. And it's like a neon pink chain, and the earrings came with it. Let me show you the earrings as well. This is the earrings. And this is the necklace, and it looks like it's almost look like plastic because it's like a really bright neon pink, but it's actually like a thin like chain material. So I decided to wear it today. It matched the belt perfectly. On this hand I have on just a regular ring that my husband brought me, and on this hand I have a bow ring and bracelet. It's connected together with the chain. I showed this to you once before, and actually I forgot I actually had this bracelet. I was in my jewelry box and I happened to run across it, and like I said, I forgot I had it actually. But I purchased it at S&P Jewelry where I live. This was actually the last one that they had, and I've lost like a couple of crystals out of it. I don't know where it is, but I can replace them with some of the ones that I have. I'll probably replace it later on. But the ring and the bracelet is actually connected together, and I thought it was really cute, and I got it. One of my friends, her YouTube name was Lovely Pamela at the time, but I think her channel has changed. The name has changed now. She showed one in one of her videos, and I told her I was going to find it, and I did. I searched until I found that bracelet. But I think the one she tried on, or I don't know if she purchased it or not, but she was shopping anyway. It was like a shopping haul. And the one she had on was red, but I couldn't find the red one, but I did find this one. This one was pink where I live. The shoes and purse that I'm taking today. The shoes, I've worn these shoes one time, and I decided to wear them today. Like I said, I'm always finding shoes that I forgot I had, and this is another pair of shoes that I purchased a long time ago that I forgot I had, and I'm going to wear, and they're extremely tall. They're checkerboard print. My dress print is a little larger. Well, hopefully I can get on my tiptoes. You can see how large the checkerboard print is. The bottom of my skirt, I mean the bottom part of the dress, not skirt, dress, it's large checkerboard print like this. The shoes is a smaller checkerboard print, and honestly, I know I ordered these shoes offline, but I can't remember where. I'm sorry, I just don't remember where I actually purchased them from. But it possibly was eBay, probably, because I don't think I was shopping on Amazon that much at the time. So I'm thinking it was probably eBay where I purchased them at. And like I said, the heel is extremely, extremely tall on these. Really tall. And they have like this silver plate on them. And the platform actually has like a silver plate on each side as well. And they lace up, they zip in the back, which is really good. I don't have to worry about unlacing and tying and all that every time I put them on. So actually, I've never actually taken this part loose. So it's a Velcro strap across it as well. I didn't even know that. So yeah, and they have like a little bit of cutout on the side, like right here. And they're extremely comfortable, but on the inside, like when you're stepping, because they're so tall, I'm going to add like one of the little I don't know what you call it, like an insert for the cushion part, like on your feet when you step, because the shoe's a little hard on the inside. They should put like a little cushion or something. But other than that, they're comfortable, extremely comfortable to walk in and everything. The handbag that I'm taking today, I decided I was going to take a black handbag, but I decided to go with, since I had on pink, quite a bit of black and white, I decided to go with a neon pink handbag. So the handbag, the belt, and the necklace and earrings and bracelet are all pink. Everything else is black. So this is the handbag. I showed it to you once before. And I ordered this one off eBay as well a while ago. That was the only one they had, and I got it mainly because of the color that it was, because I wanted a neon pink handbag. I had been searching for one. I couldn't find one. And that was the only one that I found, so I decided to get it. Like I said, I purchased it probably a couple of years ago as well. So yeah. So I think that is basically it. Update on my hair. Like I said, I'm going to probably be doing another protective style. I'm going to let this style stay in as long as it look good. I'm going to let it stay in pretty much. Because I don't have a lot of time to do anything. I'm always blinging items and everything like that. And I got another announcement I'm going to make, but I'm going to do it later on. I'll tell you about that later. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.